If you got an above ground pool with a filter pump, you know, every once in a while, those don't work, aren't great. The ones that come with them oftentimes are underpowered, or you have trouble getting replacement filters. That's where this comes in. This is made by EDOU. This is a 530 gallon per hour above ground pool filter pump kit. It does come with your filter pump. It's not submersible. It's designed to be outside of the water with a simple two-part design, an inside and an outside. It is a cartridge filter, and so it does come with your cleaning cartridge, one already built in, and you can pick up these replacements pretty easy anywhere. It's a pretty simple and straightforward design, and it comes with everything that you need to integrate it into your pool, including the clips, which are the easy turn handles, which I do appreciate. I'm not having to worry about a screwdriver and accidentally puncturing an above ground pool or anything like that, but the easy turn clips for your hoses, and these little filter attachments for the outside of your hoses. A lot of times these burn out because you get too big a chunks of things that go through these and get lodged in the filter before you know it, burning it out. You put these on the ends of your in and your out so that as water is coming in, there are no big particles that are getting lodged, nothing getting lodged in the tube itself. And you can pop these off real quick and easy, rinse these out, and getting all of the big chunks of things off to the side and not damaging your pool filter pump. Anyway, if you need a replacement filter pump for your pool, for your above ground pool, I think you should check this one out. I think you're gonna like it, and it's made by EDOU.